Hey guys, DJ GemStar here, and we're gonna talk about, well, I'm gonna talk about building energy through BPM progression. Okay, BPM, what it stands for is beats per minute, right? I play bass house. Bass house can vary. It's supposed to be like 124 to like 128. I play 130. Some tracks are 135. 140 is pushing it, but I settle at 135. Most tracks are 126, 128. Okay. You have to incrementally build your BPM to the point where people don't actually notice it, even if they're musically inclined. It's gonna be, let's say I'm starting and I'm the main event, right? The headliner. So I set out 130. So what's gonna happen is I'll start at probably at like 127, right? And if I'm the main headliner, I'm probably gonna do 2 hours playing. So that gives me plenty of time to get up there. So within 40 minutes, I'm already at 130. Okay. There will be some digression in there to bring it down and bring it back up, because you don't want to hit 130 and then keep going. Okay, but what I do is at 127, 120, 126, let's say 126. All right, what I'll do is I'll incrementally, I start on platter 1, right? 126. On platter 2, I will stay at 126. The third song, I take the pitch fader and the BPM, I will move it to 126.3. 126.3, and then I'll move it to 126.50, right? Okay, from 126.5, it'll be 126.55, right? And then after that, it is 26.6, and then while 126.6, I'm actually throughout the song, I'll purposely put a song that's about 4 minutes, not 5, 4 minutes. And as the song's going, I'm just slightly moving up 0.65, 67, 69, and it's doing it ever slightly. So before I even get to 40 minutes, all right, I've already hit like 129. All right, and that's when I'm going hard, right? When 129, next thing you know, I'm at 130, and that's when I'm riding out, not the whole entire thing, because sometimes you got to bring it down to build up. You want your set to be like a roller coaster that gets more and more eventful, okay? But there has to be a rise and dip, okay? You got to figure out how you're gonna do that. Okay, because you gotta do that with the BPM and also play around with your keys. Keep it in key and keep it out and get out of key back and forth. Right? Now a lot of people say, oh, you just press buttons. No, you have no idea what's going through our heads when we're playing. Right? We do a whole bunch of other stuff that we gotta think about, and I'll do a video on that. The BPM, the keys, the scratching, all that stuff. We're gonna do all that while I'm playing. All right, and still keep pace. All right, so I will keep it at 130 later on in the set, probably my last 30 minutes of the set. Okay, but building energy is definitely important because using the BPM and the key of the song. Okay, and if you do it properly with the BPM, you're also going to do it with the keys as well, because some keys sound really good while sped up after you link them one after one another. Okay, it's definitely in some type of keys. to get another video, get more in depth with that. But it's certain keys you want to use that for your escalation. Okay, don't just take all the hot songs that's on the top 100 and put them together. You know, dig in the crates. Okay, so make your trip better. All right. Yeah, so more on that later. Okay, but this has been building energy through BPM progression. All right, my name is DJ GemStar. I catch you guys later.